FMS. What are the pros and cons of a flexible manufacturing system? 1. FMS, or Flexible Manufacturing System, is a computer-controlled manufacturing system that integrates various automated machines, equipment, and material handling systems to produce a wide range of products efficiently and adapt to changing production requirements. 2. Pros. FMS enables high production flexibility, allowing for quick and efficient changeovers between different product types, resulting in shorter lead times and faster response to market demands. 3. It enhances productivity and efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, minimizing human error, and optimizing the utilization of machines and resources. 4. FMS offers improved quality control through standardized processes, automated inspections, and real-time monitoring, leading to reduced defects and higher product consistency. 5. It enables cost savings by reducing labor requirements, minimizing setup times, and optimizing material usage, resulting in improved overall operational efficiency and reduced manufacturing costs. 6. FMS facilitates higher throughput and increased production capacity by enabling continuous operation and efficient coordination between machines, reducing bottlenecks and maximizing overall output. 7. It supports customization and product diversification by allowing for easy reprogramming and reconfiguration of production processes, accommodating varying product specifications and customer preferences. 8. FMS provides real-time data and analytics for effective production planning, inventory management, and decision-making, enabling proactive adjustments and optimization of manufacturing operations. 9. It improves workplace safety by automating hazardous or physically demanding tasks, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries to workers. 10. FMS enhances competitiveness by enabling faster time to market, improved product quality, and the ability to adapt to changing customer needs and market trends. 11. Cons. Implementing FMS requires significant upfront investment in machinery, software, and infrastructure, making it financially challenging for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, or businesses with limited capital resources. 12. FMS implementation and maintenance require highly skilled personnel and ongoing training to operate and maintain the complex system, leading to higher labor costs and dependency on specialized expertise. 13. It may face challenges in integrating new technologies or machines into an existing FMS, especially when dealing with legacy systems or incompatible equipment, resulting in increased complexity and potential bottlenecks. 14. FMS requires careful planning and coordination to ensure compatibility between different components and subsystems, as well as effective synchronization of production processes, which can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. 15. It may pose a risk of system downtime or production interruptions if there are malfunctions or breakdowns in the automated equipment or control systems, leading to potential productivity losses and increased maintenance costs. 16. FMS implementation may face resistance or skepticism from employees who fear job displacement or feel uncertain about the transition to a more automated and technology-driven work environment, requiring effective change management and communication strategies. 17. It may have limitations in handling low-volume or highly customized production requirements, as the initial setup and reconfiguration processes for FMS can be time-consuming and inefficient for small batch sizes or unique product specifications.